Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna talk about believe in yourself. According to me, we all should believe in ourselves only because a human being is self sufficient. Sports make us languorous. Just try to learn, believe in yourself, and you can do anything. Life according to me.